Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get personalized saving tips from Digit. Digit offers tailored suggestions to help you improve your saving habits and reach your goals a lot faster. Let me show you what to do to get this done. So first step is going to be to open the Digit app. So go ahead and launch Digit on your mobile device and sign into your account. Once in, tap the profile or savings icon. So you're just going to look for the gear icon or your profile image. You can usually find that at the top right corner. Once there, navigate to notifications or insights. Now on the settings, you want to find notifications, or it could be insights, or it could be tips and advice, of course, depending on your app's version. But once you have it, enable personalized tips. You want to make sure that the toggle for personalized saving tips is turned on. Digit will then send you insights based on your spending, saving progress, and financial goals. You can review tips regularly, so check your app's notifications or the home dashboard to read and apply the tips. These can include, reminders, encouragements, or suggestions to adjust your strategy. Using these insights can help you build stronger financial habits over time without having to lift a finger. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another updates in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.